If you've never made even $1 online, this video is for you. Most people jump straight into methods, tools, or secret tricks, and then quit when nothing works. The truth is, making money online doesn't start with tactics. It starts with the right foundation. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to do everything at once. They watch random videos, sign up for multiple platforms, and chase fast results. This creates confusion, not income. Before you earn your first dollar online, you need clarity, one direction, one skill, and one simple goal. The first thing you must do is pick one skill you can learn and offer online. Not 10, just one. It could be writing, video editing, graphic design, managing social media, basic research, or even using AI tools. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be slightly better than someone who is starting from zero. Next, stop thinking about big money. Your goal is not thousands of dollars. Your only goal is your first $1. That first dollar proves that money can be earned online, and once that belief changes, everything becomes easier. Momentum matters more than amount. After choosing one skill, focus on one platform where people already pay for that skill. This could be freelancing websites, social media, or online marketplaces. Don't build a website. Don't overthink branding. Just show up where buyers already exist. Then, take small daily action. Learn a little, practice a little, and apply a little, every single day. Most people fail online not because methods don't work, but because they stop too early. Consistency beats talent at the beginning. Making money online is not about luck or shortcuts. It's about skills, focus, and patience. If you do this first, choose one skill, one platform, and aim for your first dollar, you're already ahead of most people. Start small. Earn the first dollar.
Think smarter. Grow financially.